Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about uploading and creating antenna pattern files. While we have several pre-existing antenna pattern files to choose from, you might not find the specific pattern file required for your equipment. In this case, you have the ability to upload a pattern. This can be a pattern provided by the manufacturer, or it can be a created pattern. To access the section where you would perform the upload, click Settings, and then Antennas. There are a few things to note here as far as file compatibility. It must be a radio mobile compatible text file with the .ant extension. The complete file should contain 720 rows. Line 1 and line 451 should match. Line 181 and 631 should match. When you're ready to upload the pattern, click the Choose File button and select the pattern you want to upload. The suggested naming convention for the pattern file is to go with the pattern model number. If the pattern is an experimental one, or for some reason a model number is not available, just make sure to name it something that makes sense to you. Use the datasheet for the pattern file you've selected to discover the beam width of the pattern and insert that number for the beam width filter. Put the name of the antenna manufacturer in the manufacturer section. This is to keep things organized. If it's a custom pattern you created, you can put your name or your company name in this field. Click the Update Create Antenna button in the blue bar at the top of the screen to upload the pattern. The uploaded file will then be available under the section labeled Current Antennas. If the file fails to upload and produces an error, check the file for compatibility in a notepad program, change whatever's necessary, and try again. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. That is all I have for now, guys, but I will see you for the next one.